Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying versions and resources. Open About Firefox to confirm the build, then launch Troubleshoot mode to disable extensions. This isolates plugins. Check RAM and disk. Make sure you free at least 10% of your drive because low space causes swaps and freezes. Once done, clear cache and restart Firefox immediately. That removes corrupted temporary files. If you use profiles, note the active profile name. This helps later when you need to isolate profile-specific corruption or settings. Now perform deeper diagnostics. Open About, Performance to spot tabs hogging CPU, and About, Memory to find leaking allocations. If a tab or extension keeps spiking, close it, then run Firefox with a new profile. Import only bookmarks to see if the freeze follows your profile. Make sure GPU and network drivers are current. Outdated drivers often cause hangs. Reinstall drivers if updates fail. Also disable hardware acceleration temporarily. If freezes stop, the GPU path is likely the culprit and needs tweaking. Finish by refreshing or resetting Firefox if problems persist. This preserves bookmarks and passwords while rebuilding settings. Back up your profile, then perform a clean uninstall. Remove leftover folders, reinstall the latest build, and restore necessary data. Make sure to re-enable extensions one at a time so you can catch the offender. If it still freezes, run Firefox in safe mode and check your OS event logs for errors. That single tip often reveals driver or system-level conflicts that explain recurring freezes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.